Hey guys, thanks for joining me again today. Today we are experimenting again with food. Not really food, but M&Ms today. How many of you guys like M&Ms? I love M&Ms. I got these kinds of M&Ms today. M&M with peanuts. These are one of my favorites. So I've always wondered, why are there different colors of M&Ms? And what is the difference between each of them? And if you guys notice, there's something on each of these M&Ms. There's actually, let's see. What do you see? What do you notice there? There's a stamp of the letter M on there. Does that add to the flavor? This is a red, a brown, a green, a blue, and an orange. Do all of these different colors mean that they taste differently? When I bite into it, is it different? Do the shells make any difference? Well, we're going to be experimenting with this today, okay? And I'm sticking with the food idea. Well, this is candy, like I said in the beginning. Last week, we experimented with milk and the different colors we can make with milk. If you missed it, that was a nice one. We experimented with different kinds of milks, almond milk and whole milk. So today, I want to experiment a little bit more with these candies, these M&Ms and these colors. Are they flavors, like food coloring? Like how we experimented with last week? Or are these actual different flavors? Well, we're going to find out. So this video is going to actually cut off because this experiment involves wait time. We have to do some observing. So we're going to observe over a specific amount of time. So I'm not going to have you guys waiting on here actually, because we have to wait and observe for 10 to 20 minutes. So this video will cut off, but then I'll come back on and I'll show you the results of our experiment, and we'll see if your hypothesis and your guesses are correct. Okay? This experiment is super duper easy. And I like to do super easy experiments because I don't want to make it with a lot of materials that you guys have to go out and get and buy. I want to make it so that you have things in your house that you could just experiment with. So if you ever get some M&Ms, save some, and you can do this experiment is easily done in your home, because all I have here is just a cup of water. That's it. And that's the experiment. I'm going to pour water into my bowl of M&Ms. Remember, I showed you that these M&Ms have different colors on the shell, and they have a stamp of an M on it. I wonder what happens to them when I soak them in water. And that's all I'm going to do today, okay? So I'm gonna pour the water in the bowl, just pouring. And I'm just gonna pour to cover it. That's it. My experiment is done. And that's all I did. I just poured it to cover it. Shall I show you guys? They're all submerged in water. And I will put the video back on in a few minutes so you can actually see what's happening at that time. Actually, something is happening right now that I want you guys to see. What do you notice? Interesting, right? That's all of them. What's happening there? That was pretty fast. Well, and that's soon, right away. That's like 30 seconds. I just poured the water. Look at that. Look at the green one. Starting to lose its color entirely. Wow. Let me bring you guys a little closer. Look at that. It's actually breaking down. Well, I'll let it sit for a minute, okay? It's It's actually almost broken down. Look at that. Interesting. Okay, we'll see what else happens. I'll let it soak for about 10 more minutes and I'll come back in 10 minutes, okay? I'll be right back.